PYR stock, that is Pyrogenesis Canada, almost doubled today with 84% increase in its price. Pyrogenesis Canada is a high-tech company. It's a leader in the design, development, manufacture, and commercialization of advanced plasma processes and sustainable solutions which reduce greenhouse gases. They have created some advanced plasma technologies that are being vetted and adopted by multiple multi-billion dollar industry leaders in four massive markets: iron ore pelletization, aluminium waste management, and additive manufacturing. So, what made the PYR stock almost double today? The last news was of December 8th. On December 8, 2021, Pyrogenesis Canada announced the launch of a new zero carbon emission, that is ZCE, hydrogen production technology, which is expected to compete with conventional technologies to produce an environmental friendly hydrogen. This hydrogen production technology is now entering a testing phase and is expected to convert methane to hydrogen, thereby creating a ZCE hydrogen. So this could be the news that made PYR stock raised